Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. My name is Jassica, and I am so happy to be here with you today.
Hello, everyone. I am Jack, and I am excited to learn English with you.
Today, Jack, we have a great topic, a fun topic, a very busy topic.
Busy? Are we talking about work?
Not exactly. Today, we are talking about daily routine in a big city.
Oh, daily routine in the city. That sounds interesting.
Yes, many people around the world live in big cities. Cities are loud, cities are fast, cities are full of people. So today, we will learn English words and sentences to talk about city life and daily routine.
That is perfect. I want to learn how to talk about my day in English.
And we will do that together, step by step. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's imagine the morning in a big city. It is 6 a.m. What is the first thing you hear?
The alarm clock?
Yes, the loud alarm clock. Everyone listening, repeat after me. Alarm clock. Now say, my alarm clock rings.
My alarm clock rings.
Good. The city morning is busy. Many people wake up early because they have a commute.
Commute. That sounds like an important word.
It is. Commute means the trip you take from home to work.
So when I travel from my house to my office, that is my commute.
Exactly. Everyone repeat. Commute. Good. Now repeat. I commute to work.
I commute to work.
Perfect. Jack, how do people usually commute in a big city?
Maybe by car?
Yes, some people drive. But in many big cities, driving is difficult because of traffic.
Traffic?
Yes. Traffic means many cars on the road. Sometimes the cars move slowly. Sometimes they do not move at all. That is a traffic jam.
Ah, a traffic jam. I know this feeling.
Everyone listening, repeat after me. Traffic jam. Now say, I am stuck in a traffic jam.
I am stuck in a traffic jam.
Great. But many people do not drive. Instead, they use public transport, the subway, the bus, or the train.
Public transport is very important in a big city.
Yes. Let's learn the words. Everyone repeat. Subway, bus, train. In some cities, the subway is the fastest way to travel.
But it is also very crowded, right?
Exactly. In the morning at 8 a.m., the subway is very full. This busy time is called rush hour.
Rush hour. That is when everyone goes to work or school.
Yes. Please repeat. Rush hour. Now say, the subway is crowded during rush hour.
The subway is crowded during rush hour.
Wonderful. Jack, imagine you are on the subway. There are many people. You cannot sit down. What do you do?
I stand and hold the handle.
Yes, that is what many people do. Some people read, some listen to music, some look at their phones.
And some people sleep.
Yes, many people sleep on the subway, even standing up.
That is a special skill.
Now, let's teach a short conversation you can use in the subway. Everyone, repeat after me slowly. Excuse me, is this seat free? Excuse me, can I sit here? Thank you. Have a nice day.
These are useful sentences.
Yes, and very polite. Now, Jack, we arrive at the office. What is the first thing many people do?
Drink coffee.
Yes, coffee is very important in the city. People love coffee. They drink coffee on the way. They drink coffee at work.
I also love coffee. Everyone repeat, coffee. Now say, I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning.
Good. After working for a few hours, it is lunchtime.
My favorite time. In the big city, lunch is fast. People often eat at food trucks or small restaurants.
Food trucks are great. They're small kitchens on wheels.
Exactly. Everyone repeat food truck. Now say, I buy lunch from a food truck.
I buy lunch from a food truck.
Wonderful. In the city, people eat quickly because they are busy. Some people eat sandwiches, some eat noodles, some eat salads. Repeat after me. Sandwich, burger, salad, noodles.
These are simple and helpful words.
Yes, very common words for daily life. Jack, have you noticed that people in big cities walk very fast?
Yes, if you walk slowly, people get angry.
True. The big city has hustle and bustle.
Hustle and bustle. That means busy activity and noise, right?
Yes, let's repeat hustle and bustle and say, the city has hustle and bustle.
The city has hustle and bustle.
Perfect. When you walk in the city, you see tall buildings called skyscrapers.
Skyscrapers touch the sky. They are very tall.
Yes, repeat after me. Skyscraper. Now say, the city has many skyscrapers.
The city has many skyscrapers.
After a long day, it is time to go home. The commute is usually slow because everyone is tired.
And the subway is quiet.
Yes, people read, watch videos, or sleep. Some people listen to podcasts, like this one.
That is a great idea.
In the evening, the city is still awake. That is why people say, the city never sleeps.
So many places are open. Restaurants, cinemas, theaters.
Yes, let's learn the words. Repeat after me. Restaurant,
Restaurant,
cinema,
cinema,
theater,
theater,
shopping mall.
shopping mall. The city is full of life.
Exactly. But sometimes the city is too loud, too fast, too crowded.
Yes, sometimes we need a quiet place.
That is why big cities have parks. Everyone repeat, park,
Park,
and say, I relax in the park.
I relax in the park.
Very good. After a long day, people go home, eat dinner, take a shower, watch TV, and go to bed.
That sounds relaxing.
Let's practice a simple evening routine. Repeat after me. I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I go to bed.
I go to bed. Easy and clear sentences.
Yes, perfect for beginners. Now, Jack, let's review everything we learned today.
Great idea.
Repeat after me. Alarm clock, commute, traffic jam, subway, bus, train, rush hour, food truck, skyscraper, hustle and bustle, park. Daily routine sentences.
This is a very useful list.
Yes, and now here is a short practice sentence for everyone. Repeat after me. I wake up early, I commute to work. The city is busy. I eat lunch at a food truck. I relax in the park.
These sentences help me describe my day easily.
Exactly. That is the goal. Thank you all for listening today. You learned many new words and practiced simple sentences about daily routine in the big city.
Yes, and we hope you enjoyed learning with us.
Please remember to practice these sentences every day. The more you repeat them, the easier English becomes.
And don't forget to join us again for the next episode.
Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.